Alright guys, check this out. The Lian V3000 Plus. And let me tell you, this thing is a beast. This isn't just a PC case. It's practically a mansion for your components. First off, it's huge, a full tower chassis that can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. We're talking EB motherboards, IDX boards. You could practically build 2 systems in this thing thanks to its dual system mode. And speaking of builds, the customization options are insane. Want to show off your hardware? The tempered glass side panel lets you do just that. But the real magic is the flexibility. You can switch between standard, rotated, and dual system modes, giving you total control over your build's layout. Cooling is another area where the V3000 Plus shines. It supports a ridiculous amount of radiators, up to 480mm rads and a 360mm, plus a whopping 17 fans. Your components are going to stay icy cool even under the heaviest loads. And for those of you into custom water cooling, Lian has you covered with 2 reservoir plates that can accommodate large D5 and DDC pumps. They've really thought of everything. Storage is another huge plus. You can cram up to 16 drives in this case, which is more than enough for even the most hardcore data hoarders. No more juggling drives or worrying about running out of space. And let's talk aesthetics. The white finish is clean and modern, and the build quality is top-notch, as you'd expect from Lian. This case is built to last. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This case is definitely on the larger side, so make sure you have the desk space for it. And it's not exactly budget-friendly. But if you're looking for a premium case with unparalleled flexibility, cooling potential, and storage capacity, the Lian V3000 Plus is definitely worth considering. It's an investment, but it's one that will last you for years to come. This case is a statement piece, a testament to your dedication to PC building. So, if you're ready to take your build to the next level, the V3000 Plus might just be the perfect case for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.